Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the best food you can introduce your baby to in 3 months. Like if your baby is in 3 months and you want to start introducing a little bit of food, solid food to your baby, this video is for you. So the first thing that you need to do is to take your ample, so you can start introducing your baby to all this small food, like all this ample puree, banana puree, those food that is not too strong, until it gets to 4 months or 6 months before you start introducing your baby to solid, very well solid food. Okay, then after slicing your ample, add it to your bowl, wash and steam for 15 minutes. After that, you can blend it. Your ample puree is ready. You can give it to your baby and your baby is going to love it very well. Okay, all right guys, I'm coming live video very soon to tell you the day that we are having our giveaway, our Christmas giveaway. Okay, I'll be doing Christmas giveaway in Nigeria, which is not easy. The video I'll be the pictures, not video, I will upload it very soon. I did giveaway in Nigeria. I share clothes, like I share Hollandis for some women and food for children, so it's not easy. But then I'm done with that one, so I'm coming for you people now to come and do giveaway for you guys. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. Our ample puree is ready. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and follow this page. I'll be see you all on my next one. Bye.